here is Blush AI dating simulator. So let's take a look at it. The app is actually going viral on TikTok and everywhere. AI dating real feelings, your favorite characters in one app, unlimited messages, bring your dream characters to life, improve your dating skills, create your own story with AI crushes. It's an AI dating simulator that helps you learn and practice relationship skills in a safe and fun environment. Meet your next crush. Blush offers you AI created potential matches, each with their own backstory and way of dating. You're the one who decides how far to take each relationship. Start an exciting dating adventure with limitless possibilities. Become a pro at dating. Secure place where you can try out flirting and chatting without worrying about being turned down. So this is, for teenagers, this is the place to practice. Have fun and boost your confidence. Blush has hundreds of AI characters designed to be exciting, responsive, and fun. If you're feeling down or need pick me up, these virtual characters can put a smile on your face and boost your confidence. Find out what you really want. Blush lets you add a bit of fantasy and excitement to your daily life. So here you have it. So let's just open it up. And so here you have like accounts which look like this. These are all like fake profiles, but you can instantly just chat and it looks like Tinder. So you can see messages. You can see voice settings. You can set up like response lengths, productivity level, swearing, abbreviations, emojis, relationship status. I don't know whether you can manage all of these settings in here as well. You can, for example, apply this. Let's check it out. Oh, all right. So then you need actually to upgrade. If you want to go more romantic way instantly, then you need to upgrade. And then you have unlimited photos and voice, custom photos daily, romantic role play, short videos, 2x smart AI, regular processing. So you have that. Then personality, you can also add that in here. So you can see there are already some settings. And then here, this is the idea. And then you can also unmatch, report, or share it. So there you have it. Here you can also have some quick suggestions. In here, then you can just discover different options, different characters. You can create your own character. You can create your AI photo. Then there are chats. Then there is your profile. You can upgrade again, and then you can then just delete your account if you want. So that's good. If the app offers the option to delete an account easily, that's always a good sign that this is not some spammy app. Then you can also just tap to upgrade, and then if you want to, you can get unlimited access. Monthly $20 or yearly, that's $70 per year. So that's the idea. They don't have any promo codes. They don't have any referral codes as far as I can see. So at the moment, this is just what you have, and then you just have feed, filters, and that's basically what you have in here. So something like that. So try it out. Pretty cool app if you're into AI chats, but you want to have more like AI dating approach. And this app is one of the best in these categories because it really has similar design to Tinder, and it's getting good reviews on TikTok. And so try it out.